Pure Foods PJ Giants just matching each other's output in the third quarter.
Earlier, Ron J. Buenafin with a fantastic shot going to the hoop. Put them on top here by 10. He's got 8 points in the quarter, in the game. Fernandez. When you look at the 5 of Pure Foods on the floor, you have Bo Belga to start the fourth together with Jonathan Fernandez and Aaron Aban. So some new faces really on the floor, some fresh legs for the PJ Giants.
Right, but really didn't see a lot of playing minutes in the first half or even in the third quarter. Starting off here for Pure Foods, you can see the free throw shooting story. A lot of free throws given by Pure Foods to the Coca-Cola Tigers. And, well, you really have to rest your big guts here in the start of the fourth quarter. But you can't rest both of them. That's why James Yap is now resting on the bench. He subs Kirby inside. But you expect a lot of energy here from these three players on the floor. Aban, of course, Fernandez, Belga, and includes Topix Robinson in that mix.
Second free throw, no good, and now Coca-Cola looking for Velasco down low. It's Cabagnot, now it's Telan. Outside, and Cabagnot looks at the shot clock and reads 6. Alex Cabagnot with a jumper, nothing but net from Cabagnot. Ang team 3 na yan ay hatid sa inyo ng TM, ang inyong kakampi sa buhay.
He was in complete control of that situation. He was getting his rhythm before launching that shot. The time winding down.
PJ Giant on the offensive. Kirby with the fake, and he connects from downtown as well. A 3-pointer ng team 3 na yan ay hatid sa inyo ng TM, ang inyong kakampi sa buhay.
That's the second 3-point basket for Kirby Raimundo. He has a total of 15 in the ball game.
Big game, big time for the big games. Now in the fourth quarter, Velasco missing. Topex now to Fernandez. Can he light it up? Foul will be called here on Fernandez.
You know, Fernandez can really connect on that, but I feel he has not gotten his confidence here in the PBA. You know, back in his amateur days, and even in his college days, you know, he was a dead shot from the outside.
Still not heated up here so far in quarter number 4. 9:28 here. Cabagnot sliding inside. What a nice play to Velasco.
You're read.
Very smooth play earlier in this. I think Coach Ryan Gregorio has seen enough. He'll call a full timeout as the Tigers are ahead here by 11 points, 17 to 59. You're watching the PBA on CS9.
This timeout is brought to you by Mr. Donuts Midgets.
Halina't magpasaya ngayong Pasko. Daan ka muna sa Mr. Donut. Magbigay ng saya, magbigay ng sarap. Pasko ay Mr. Donut. Magbigay ng saya, makulay ang Pasko. Sarap ng Mr. Donut. Sarap ang surprise.
You're back with us here inside the Big Dome. For more information on PBA schedule, we'll turn you over to Rima.
Yes, for our Saturday game at San Juan Arena, November 22, our first game, 2:30 p.m. Alaska Aces versus Stock and Textra on Texters. And at 5 p.m., Santa Lucia Realtors versus Barangay Ginebra Kings. On Sunday at the Cuneta Astrodome, 4 p.m., Rain or Shine Elasta Painters versus Coca-Cola Tigers. And 6:30, Pure Foods PJ Giants versus San Miguel Beermen. Paolo?
There you have it, scheduled for the week. Thank you, Rima.
It's going to be an exciting weekend for the PBA with those matches.
You know, earlier when we reviewed the team standings, it's very close actually.
That's right.
You know, at this point, any team can still make it, and That's the beauty of this conference. You can look at all teams really evenly matched. Now both these teams, Pure Foods and Coca-Cola, trying to pull up another win here. James Yap. Baseball foul was spotted here.
Oh, this is going to be the fourth foul on Kirby Raimundo. Big development here with just under 9 minutes remaining here in the fourth.
He pass ahead now, Telan.
You know, that's not the best shot to take. But let's see. I think they're going to. Yeah, they're going to.
They're going to count the basket.
Goaltending, hitting the ball from underneath the net.
So that's going to count. Baker's dozen lead now for the Tigers.
And you can expect Coca-Cola every time they're down on the floor to try to fish that fifth foul from Kirby Raimundo.
Nanete. Kirby Raimundo. Kirby inching closer. Some action developing here between Raimundo and Mark Telan.
It's going to be really very physical.
Coolerheads prevail. Time now for our KFC. Delivery assist of the quarter. That was Cabagnot finding Nick Velasco. Magpa-deliver na sa KFC. Just dial 887-8888 KFC. It's finger licking good. Well, those are two veterans already. Kirby Raimundo, Mark Telan. Right now, you know that the fourth quarter is just very important. Defense really tightening up.
Somebody got lost in the defensive rotation. Rich Alvarez already has 10 points in the ballgame.
Pure Foods trying to apply some pressure here. Scrambling defense. Now it's with Taulava. Back out to Macapagal. Mark Macapagal, smelling blood. Ang TM Plus na yan ay hatid sa inyo ng TM, ang inyong kakampi sa buhay.
It's going to be tough for Pure Foods once the shooters of Coca-Cola hit their stride. How can you help down on the post against Taulava?
Lead is up to 14. This is the biggest lead in the ballgame.